professional educator.
Hello viewer, welcome to Geography Revision. This is for secondary students and it is our lesson number 1. The topic is the Earth and the solar system. By the end of the lesson, it is expected that you should be able to answer the following questions correctly. Question number 1. Define the solar system. The question is allocated 2 marks. B of question 1. The diagram below represents the parts of the Earth. Use it to answer the questions B1 and B2 that follow. That is the diagram that you are supposed to refer to. Then B1, the question is, name the parts marked A, B, and C. The question is allocated 3 marks. B2, give 4 characteristics of the part marked G. The question is allocated 4 marks. C, state 3 reasons why the interior of the Earth is hot up to the present. The question is allocated 3 marks. D1, differentiate between rotation and revolution of the Earth. The question carries 2 marks. D2, explain 3 reasons why the Earth is believed to be a sphere. The question is allocated 6 marks. The responses to the questions are as follows. Question 1. Define the solar system. Here we are saying we need to follow the following instructions if we are to answer the question in the right way. They include the following. Number 1, when you think about define, we are simply saying it is giving the nature of something. It is saying exactly how something is. That is what define is all about. We are also adding that when you are answering the question, it will not be necessary for you to repeat the words the solar system. It is not necessary. So in your answer, the 2 words are not required. Again, we are saying when you're answering the question, do not say it is made up of. The reason being, when you talk about it is made up of, the examiner is not interested in knowing what the solar system is made up of. It is not part of the question. So we are saying if the question was give the components of the solar system, or the other question, what is the solar system made of? If those were the 2 questions, then we can comfortably give the composition of the solar system. But here we are saying the question is about what is. In fact, the other question, the similar question that you could be called upon to answer here could be, what is the solar system? Since the question is about define, it is similar to a question on what is the solar system. Consequently, it is important for us to note that although we did mention that we do not require identifying the components when answering that question, it is important for us to remember that the components will be mentioned after you have said what the solar system is.